Yo, what up? Dito naman tayo sa dalawang kaigan natin ng mga galing. Ilia Topuria versus Oliveira. Let's go!
Not in a great place, or so it appears. Look at this, Ilia in side control already.
Nakagawin na itong belt ni ni Oliveira, ni Topuria.
That is huge.
Oh, watch the leg here.
Lock na.
Dangerous position. Ilia's got to be very careful with that left leg.
Ni Topuria, late lang. Kasi late lang kami yan, mga idol.
He's almost out.
5'7".
The leg's not in danger anymore, but he's still trapped.
Pero lupot mag-lock.
He's out.
Back into it.
Tremendous composure by Topuria. You can see right away he's dealing with a different level of strength and skill.